So though the dividend yield of the stock can be really high and really exciting, always keep in mind that money has to come from somewhere.
Where'd all that come from?
The sky. It rained money.
So companies do pay out dividends to shareholders, usually from profits that they get for the year. And by paying a dividend, it's sort of like thanking the shareholders for holding onto their stock and supporting the business. So when a business takes out money from its profit as a dividend, we are able to calculate the payout ratio, which is how much profits is taken out to pay a dividend. So looking back at Ultra, which pays an 8% dividend, we can see that the payout ratio right now is 143%, which doesn't make sense at all. If the payout ratio is 50%, this means the company uses 50% of the profits to pay out in dividends. And if the payout ratio is 70%, this means that 70% of the profit is paid out to shareholders as dividend. So if the payout ratio is 143%, this kind of raises a few questions about Ultra. So this could mean that Ultra might be borrowing money to pay out dividends to investors, which raise a lot of questions about the sustainability of such high dividends.